Let's take apart these Air Force 1's. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get right to it. So it's time to take some soles off of some Air Force 1's and put them onto the one-piece gray suede Air Force 1's. So what are we gonna do? We are taking these shoes apart like we do pretty much every video that we're taking soles off. I've shown this many of times, so you probably know the process by now. You take the sole out, we take the laces out, pretty much take the stitching out of the sole, and from there take the sole off. The real question is, do I keep the AF1 on the laces or not? Because I'm definitely going to keep these laces, brand new all white laces, super clean. I'm going to throw those on because I think I have used laces on them right now, and those get all dirty once you last them up, throw them in the oven and everything. So y'all know the drill. Just pull it out. Oh boy, look at that. Keep going. So interesting how all you gotta do is just pull the thread and it comes right out. I don't know, but it's super interesting. As you know, I gotta do this on each shoe throughout it just to take the soles off. So I'm gonna take the soles off and then we'll get right back to it. Choice of energy drink today is tangerine, mango, guava, strawberry, rockstar. This smacks. Every single day, I just crack open an energy drink and it tastes so good. And it starts my day off right. I don't know if that's good or bad. I'm not into coffee, but boy, do energy drinks hit the spot. I just took all the thread out, boom, just like that. We want to throw that off. So we now have no stitch all through the sole. So now we can rip the sole off, just, you know, I can't show it on camera, but you know, I'll do that, just rip it right off. And right after that, they're gonna be ready to get applied onto the other Air Forces. Boom. Just like that, the sole is now on. All we gotta do is take the last out of it. We got to take the laces off of them. We got to hand stitch the sole on, and we are all finished. What I'm doing is taking these laces out. I have a brand new pair of white laces right here because the laces that I use while lasting, they get dirty from like handling them with the gloves while I put the soles on. They get all dirty and gross, so we got to put brand new white laces on to make it look all purty. Also with the new laces, I'm not gonna put the Air Force 1 little metal on just because I feel like it doesn't go well with the vibe, I guess. It's a nice, we got a gray and white colorway going on here, but with that silver, I just don't think it vibes with it. I don't think it, you know, it goes well with it. So I'm not going to add that into the laces. Got the shoe, remember, pull the tab down. Gonna use a little muscle, just like that. Got to pull it down a little bit, so we'll push up on the heel and just work our way down, and just like that. We'll take this bad boy, throw it off to the side. We'll take our handy dandy post, put it off to the side, and this is what we are now working with. So as you can see, it looks super awesome. It is super clean. I really like this. I'm definitely going to be doing more one-piece shoes with other silhouettes. So as you can see, this is an Air Force 1. It's looking pretty nice so far. You got the white accents that are all going with the white sole. Little white hanging out here. Also on the back, you got the double layer of the black coming out. So, you know, just a little nice touch. Also, with the little Maverick back here, it's not touching the sole, so I really like that. But for the inside, I have all the letters going underneath the sole because I wanted it to be, you know, a little different. I didn't want it to be, because I easily could have just put it up here and they wouldn't have been underneath the sole. But I think it gives a little bit more of a, like a custom look, like the Travis Scott Nike sign, the reverse, how it goes underneath the sole. That's what I wanted to do with this, kind of a different, unique custom. So what I'm gonna do now is hand stitch the sole on, and we're pretty much done after that. And just like that, The sole is all stitched on, as you can see. I just used white stitch, simple, very easy. Super happy with how they came out. As you can see, you got the brand new laces on. I didn't go with the little metal piece at the very bottom, as you can tell as well, but man, boom, just like that. We got ourselves a super nice, clean shoe. Really like how it came out. My favorite part about these is definitely the lambskin on the inside. I mean, it's like butter on the inside. It's so comfortable. It's so smooth. There's not many leathers that are this smooth, so I really love it. Here's a little quick review. So we got the side action, we got the front, we got the inside, we got the back. This is it. Oh, also on the inside, just a normal white Air Force 1 sole that came with the shoe. When I lace them and I send them off to the customer, I like to put the laces like this, because that's how the Air Force comes from Nike. So just keep it simple like that. I'm super happy with how these turned out. Thanks for checking out this video. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know what other silhouettes you'd like to see as a full one piece just like this. As you can see, a full on one piece leather. But other than that, I'm super happy with how they turned out. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. It really helps me out. Check out all my other videos. I got the first part of this one up on my channel as well, so go check that out. But until then, see you later and have a great day.